Electrical safety measures and how AI can improve safety related to high voltage systems. Electrical safety measures to be taken. Getting shocked or electrocuted from wires and outlets can badly hurt or kill you. Knowing these dangers is important. Training electricians properly avoids mistakes working with wires that could lead to accidents. Regularly checking wires, outlets, appliances finds problems before anything stops working or catches fire. Wearing rubber gloves/boots when working with wires keeps you safe from shocks. Special switches detect faulty electricity flows and cut power to stop danger, like tripped circuit breakers. Electricians, technicians, safety managers working together focused on safety creates a cautious working culture. Practicing emergency plans makes sure all workers know how to respond safely if an accident happens. A complete safety program considers all these areas to lower risks of electrical dangers. How AI can help to reduce hazards. AI uses data from smart meters to predict when an appliance might fail so it's fixed early. AI spots unusual energy use patterns that could mean a wiring issue and alerts the homeowner. Robot inspectors with AI check hard-to-reach wiring in attics instead of people. AI analyzes data to distinguish real electrical issues from routine power fluctuations. AI detects unsafe arc flashes and turns off power instantly to prevent damage and injury. AI creates safe training simulations to practice dealing with electrical dangers virtually. AI reviews past home electrical accidents to find risks and suggest ways to avoid them. AI uses smart meter data to monitor a home's electrical system remotely, reducing risky in-person electrical work. Overall, AI uses data analytics and automation to significantly improve electrical safety in homes and daily life in many ways. It adds protection beyond standard safety procedures. Electrical safety measures and how AI can improve safety